Hello guys, today we will continue making love hearts. I have made those love hearts last time, please watch my previous video. And today will be like part 2, what we're gonna do with these love hearts. And after thinking about this pattern, I want to make something special. I've got this white part and I'm going to take pink part and go with 1 single crochet all around. I will make 2 in the corner though, and then the rest of it I will go 1 single crochet in each stitch. And I have made a round of single crochets. When it curls, that's okay, absolutely fine, that's what we want. Let's finish this last stitch. You imitate the last stitch. And now we're going back into the last stitch we've made and take this down. That's it, front loop, back loop. You've got the stitch. This one I didn't finish nicely. I just made chain 1 and cut the yarn. And now you need to fold them. We are doing some like this and like that. And then you take this needle and I will show you how to connect them together. So this is what you do, 1 stitch here and 1 stitch there. And white part fits very nicely inside pink side, pink part. Should be approximately stitch to stitch. I don't go over, I will go it like this. Don't make it very tight, you don't want it curved, you want it nice edge. Don't rush, I'm a little bit rushing over there. Yeah, you don't want to. How it will look. Nice tray. You can leave it, oopsie, like that. Maybe keep it as a tray, yeah, to store your javelin. Or that's another idea. If we've got another half of this, we will make it nice jewelry box. Yeah, how cool is that? We can stitch this together. So You choose which side to stitch. It goes like this, or that goes like that. How would it go? I think I can make it like that. Yeah, so you want to connect them on the side. Yeah, looks good. So you check how long this seam will be. This is the long enough. If you go further, you will not be able to open and close it nicely. So this is how it goes. Let's make a knot. Oopsie. Oh, I've got scissors. And this is how it will look. Very nice little idea how to keep your jewels safe. Maybe to give someone as a lovely little present. Love heart box. Very nice and very cute. And very functional as well. There you go. Hope you enjoy this tutorials, guys. Subscribe to my channel. As usual, put notification bell. Maybe write in the comments what else do you want me to crochet. Maybe you've got some cute ideas you want me to make. I love this box very much. And bye for now.